Welcome everyone! If you're considering a truck bed cap for your Jeep Gladiator, you've landed in the right place. Today we're spotlighting the A.R.E. CX Evolve cap installed on a 2024 Jeep Gladiator, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Imagine a cap that's painted to match in clean bright white, blending seamlessly with your Gladiator's body. Inside, the dark gray headliner adds a subtle, refined touch, like wrapping your bed in a cozy capsule. Now let's dive into the features. There's an interior clothes rod, perfect for hanging gear or jackets, plus an aluminum frame sliding front window that gives you easy access to your bed from the cab. Lighting is top-notch, a 12-volt LED dome light paired with dual rope lights, all triggered by an active tilt prop switch. Open the door and boom, you've got light, no hassle. On the sides, Outdoorsman vented windows let fresh air in while giving quick gear access. The rear door uses a frameless tailgate form design for a sleek, modern look. For security and convenience, you've got keyless entry. Plus, your truck bed stays safe and functional with the Bedrug Classic bed liner, the perfect pairing to keep your gear secure and your bed looking fresh. And for those adventures with extra gear, the installed roof tracks are there for rack expansion. Whether you're headed camping, transporting tools, or just aiming for that rugged yet polished look, the CX Evolve gives your Gladiator unmatched versatility. Ready to take your Jeep Gladiator to the next level? Links to the A.R.E. CX Evolve and the Bedrug Bedliner are in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.